Alright, so this is a little early morning sub-zero weather. Baby goats hanging out in their little pen with their mamas. Hi, mama goats. Hi. 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 Hi, sweetie. Just the little babies. 2 of them. The other ones are inside. Well, the other one. Because this mama, she was a little bottle baby, so I guess that's her excuse for not taking care of her baby. So that's okay. Hi, sweetie. Old Bruno walking around back there. Yeah, it's too cold to be playing around, isn't it? There's Daddy. Hi, Joey. Hi, buddy. Sorry, you can't be around the babies, dude. Hi, sausage. Hi. He might not be sausage. He's kind of cool. Hi, bacon. That's the female. That's the boy. Look at that. He's got blue eyes. That's pretty cool. Hi, buddy. I know you want some more food. Okay. Alright. Say bye. Bye-bye.